Well, hang on. We've got some active weather ahead over the next several days. What is happening now? Rain showers will be arriving tonight. What's going to be new in the latest weather data is higher winds will be out there into Wednesday, and some of that data ramping up over 40 miles per hour. So if you're traveling, it will be a windy day Wednesday. And then what's next this weekend? Still a lot of uncertainty, but the possibility of a winter storm that could be brewing into the weekend ahead. Let's get you out the door, though, for tomorrow morning with wet conditions. You can see rain that's going to be working toward us. Some light showers just beginning to be reported. Some of this not quite reaching the ground yet, but it will be by the time it reaches Tuesday morning with certainty. Low to mid 40s. Now, one bit of good news is we're going to stay well above freezing tonight, so everything that falls will be in the form of mild rain showers. And here it comes into the area Tuesday morning. It will be raining. Have the rain gear ready to go out the door. Showers continue through about mid to late morning. Even into the afternoon, could take quite some time to kick these rain showers. And then late in the day, they begin to diminish as drier weather will try to return. Scattered showers are going to be expected on Tuesday. For Thursday, we are certain it is going to turn cold and windy into Thanksgiving Day. A couple flurries, but shouldn't really impact travel. Then into the weekend, I'll be honest, a lot of uncertainty with this one. Staying cold, but snow chances may be on the rise as we get into the weekend. We got a couple systems to get through before that, though. One that brushes into the area. Here's the rainmaker tomorrow morning, and we're still on the mild side of things, but I think this map really paints a picture of how things are going to change on a Wednesday. And look at this, mild weather early in the morning. I'm talking first thing in the morning. How strong this cold front is, though, it powers into the area with much cooler weather, and the winds will whip up and turns cold enough that we get a few scattered snowflakes into the afternoon Wednesday. So if you're traveling, count on gusty winds, much colder weather, and wind chills late in the day, falling back into the 20s. Should stay cold into Thanksgiving Day. 34 degrees is going to be the daytime high, and it will be a cold, windy outlook. Then into the weekend, I want to give you the early look at this, a possible winter storm into the weekend. Lots of uncertainty, but this system, depending on the track, if it does take more of a southerly track, it brings more colder air in. That would be a higher chance of snow. If it takes more of a northerly track, it may mean more rain chances. So a lot of uncertainty on how that plays out, but I want it on your radar that a system out there toward the weekend could impact travel. 53 the high on Tuesday. It will be a rainy day. 46 on Wednesday, but don't let that fool you. We plunge back into the 30s, wind chills in the 20s, and it will be cold and brisk into Thursday. A few light snow showers, then into the weekend. We'll stay in the 30s, and there's that wintry system Saturday into Sunday that we will have close eyes on.